Want to instantly connect with people on Twitter and show what's happening live? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to live stream on Twitter. Now let's get started. To begin, open the Twitter app on your device and tap the new tweet icon. Then tap the camera button. At the bottom, select Live. If you tap where it says What's Happening, you can add in a description for your live stream. You can also add a location if you like. Using the controls at the top of the screen, you can turn on flash, switch between your device's front and back cameras, and disable guests. If you tap the microphone icon, your live stream will be switched to audio only and your video will be turned off. If you want someone to live stream with you, you can invite them by tapping Invite Guests. Select who you'd like to invite, then tap Done. They'll receive your invite in a DM. When you're ready, tap Go Live at the bottom to begin your live stream. While live streaming, you can still adjust your camera and microphone using the controls at the top. You can also post text comments using the text box at the bottom. Tap the three dots in the bottom right corner to see more options. Tapping the smiley faces at the bottom will allow you to edit which guests are invited or disallow guests in your live stream. When you're ready to end your stream, tap the X in the top left corner. To confirm, tap Stop Broadcast. That's all it takes to live stream on Twitter. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.